everyone. Today, we are excited to share some valuable tips on how to create a good resume that will impress potential employers and increase your chances of landing your dream job. A well-crafted resume is essential in showcasing your skills, experiences, and accomplishments in a way that sets you apart from other candidates. So, let's get started with the key steps to create a standout resume.
I am going to tell you about a great website where you can make a resume, so let us get started and follow the steps.
Is your first impression on potential employers, so invest time and effort to create a standout document that highlights your qualifications and accomplishments. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to crafting a compelling resume that helps you secure your desired job. Best of luck in your job search.